Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our horse mural. For horse mural we require marble powder clay or this handmade clay. See, this is my marble powder clay and this is my handmade clay. Both clay we can use. There is no limit which clay you want. It's completely your choice. And I continue with 3 horses. It's your own choice. You want to make 2 or you want to make all 3s. Okay. There is no difference in technique. First we are going to start with the background, as the back thing is making by first and the front thing is making by end. So we are going to start with these small tree branches, tree trunks, which we are showing in the reference pic. You can use any clay, there is no problem, but if we are using marble clay, we don't require Fevicol side by side for the background. But if we are using this handmade clay, we have to use Fevicol. Okay. First we apply Fevicol and then apply this clay. I will guide you with both the clay, with this clay and with marble powder. So you can see the difference. First we are going to make background, then horses, and then these front leaves and these grasses. Okay, so we are going to start with this part first. You can use MDF board. I use canvas because I don't have a very thick MDF board. That's why canvas is best. But if you are using MDF or ply board, your thickness is 6 or 8 no problem. Once you work with marble powder, you have to apply water in the base. See, like this. Just with water, I use this clay. It's going to be stick very properly once it's dry. If surface is not wet, it not stick, but if surface is wet with water, it stick properly. Only very small tree trunks you have to make. And you require some tools. If you don't have tools, then no problem. You can use toothpick or you can use kitchen knife. Like this. Very thin and very small. Don't make too much big, because we have to show the proportional also, na. This things is far away from the horses, that's why it's very thin and small. If you don't want to make, you can skip it. It's not a big deal. You can skip this kind of background elements. Both clay is quite smooth and fine in texture. You can use any clay. See, like this we are going to make some branches. You have to switch off your fan, because with fan clay is going to dry very fast, and it may be not smooth. That's why now with the help of tool you can make some lines. Very slightly, because trees are very far away now, so don't make it too much clear lines, only slightly lines. See, now we are going to make complete tree texture. Apply some clay. See, I am using very randomly clay. And also remember that don't use very thick amount of clay. You can see I am using very thin amount of clay. So don't use very thick clay. Tap it with the finger properly. Once you tap with finger, you have to poke with any tool like this. Or you can use toothpick also for such kind of work. Again tap it with finger. It look like a real tree once it's dry. So now we are going to start with our first horse. This one. This horse I will guide you with marble clay, and another I will guide you with handmade clay. First we are going to make face. According to your drawing, first you apply clay as a base only. According to your drawing completely, you have to apply base. If you are working with marble powder, you have to apply water side by side. Leave this area because this is for second horse. Make it little smooth with the help of water. One layer you have to apply almost all the area, all the parts. See, I leave second horse face properly. Once you apply clay, make it smooth with water. That is very necessary. According to your drawing, you settle first layer properly, and once you leave your work, you always blend the clay with the background like this. Otherwise you find crack or your layers should be uneven. Here you can see I apply almost full clay for one horse body. Another horse I will guide you with handmade clay, but this horse we are done with marble clay.